Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Remitly. Actually, Remitly doesn't store your money. It just get the money from abroad and exchange it with your currency with the best rate and transfer that money to your account from the sender who have sent that money. I selected the account that you will get from the money, and your money will get to the account. You just need to withdraw from that payment method that your sender have select, or you told him to select to get the money from. But you just need to tell that sender that enter their amount and select your country properly, and after that you just need to tell him that if you want to get money from bank deposit or any e-wallet, or you like to cash pickup. If bank account, then tell your bank name and your account number to your sender, and then your sender must need to enter the account number here. Then after continuing, your sender will send the money and it will exchange through the Remitly with their best rate, and you will get the money in your currency in your bank account. So you just need to withdraw that money from your bank account, or if you are told them to send the money in e-wallet, then you will get the money all over to your e-wallet, and you just need to withdraw that money from your e-wallet. That's how you can withdraw money from Remitly. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.